Let's do a speed tour of the yacht club here on the MSC Seascape. Exiting from our stateroom, we are heading over to the yacht club restaurant. Both our room and the yacht club restaurant were located on deck 18. The yacht club restaurant had an entirely different menu than the regular restaurants on board. You had choices of filet mignon and salmon every single night in the yacht club, amongst many other delicious, high-quality food. We had a surf and turf with steak and lobster one night on this cruise, and it was by far the best meal I've ever eaten on any cruise ship, and we have certainly had filet mignon and lobster on other cruise ships at the specialty dining venues. Not only was the food good, but the views were spectacular. You did not have a specific time to come and dine. Most of the time when you got here, though, there was plenty of room for everyone to sit. And if not, they gave you a pager and you could come down here and chill out in the lounge until your table was ready. So here we are entering the Top Sail Lounge from the restaurant. There are two entrances to the Top Sail Lounge, one from the front and one from up top. These seats over here were our favorites, and we spent quite a bit of time here. Hopefully you caught a glimpse of that tow picture. But anyway, here are all the spectacular views here in the lounge. Comfortable seating. In the evenings, there was piano playing. The pianist was phenomenal. There was also special events and parties held here in the Yacht Club Top Sail Lounge. The views out here on the side of the wings were spectacular. Let's just take that in for a couple seconds. Now, walking along the front, you're going to see beautiful views, lots of comfortable seating. It was pretty warm most of our cruise, so not many people were out there. As we walk back into the nice air conditioning, you see there was a next cruise desk, incredible bar service. There was usually only one bartender there. There was plenty of crudité in here at all times, all of which were very, very good. I think Chip wanted to see these pretty stairs again, so he came back up the restaurant way and down the hall. There is a hall similar to this leading to the Top Sail Lounge from the floor below. The Yacht Club consists of 4 floors and usually carries around approximately 300 guests. The bottom floor, where the Top Sail Lounge is, also has the concierge. That is on deck 16. There is no deck 17 on MSC cruise ships. Similar to the United States thinking deck 13 or the number 13 is unlucky, in Italy, they believe that the number 17 or deck 17 is bad luck. We have arrived to deck number 20, and when they call the yacht club a ship within a ship, they do mean that there is the lounge, there is the pool area, there is the buffet, the restaurant. You really don't even need to leave this space unless you want to. And if you do leave this space, your butler will escort you down to wherever you would like to go. If you were in port, your butler would escort you down to the gangway. Now, this jacuzzi, I never saw anyone in it. It was pretty rare, I think maybe twice. The water was a little warm, though, and so was the weather. We even have a sunglass cleaning station. Here is the bar, friendly staff. We have our own buffet up here in the yacht club. And, of course, a pool, which was usually pretty busy throughout the day. As you can see, there are cabanas. Those are available to rent for the day. You either got the whole day for $45, I think it was, or a half a day for $27. Last thing we're going to show you is that area down there, and we'll walk there in a moment. As you can see, this exclusive pool area was very nice with padded cushions, seating, also plenty of seats. You were never going to need to find a seat up here. There was plenty at all times. And again, beautiful views of the ocean. That's the next area we're going to show you down there. That is called the Top 19, which is a solarium. As a yacht club guest, you do have access to Top 19 because in the yacht club, although there are rooms on deck 19, there is not much else since that is where the bridge and all of those operations take place. So let's go out to the Top 19. You do have to exit the yacht club and then re-enter it from the side. And this area was pretty nice too. We spent a lot of time here. Now this exclusive area is only part of those who are either in the yacht club or those who have purchased an ARIA stateroom. ARIA staterooms do have access to this particular solarium as well as access to the thermal suite on board. And that was pretty amazing. I will have a separate video for the thermal suites on board. The Aria Spa on board has a vibe of its very own. I do hope you enjoyed this tour of the Yacht Club. We will definitely be sharing more of our experiences with the Yacht Club, so please stay tuned and follow our channel. And tell me, what do you think? Would you pay a couple $1,000s extra to stay in this area on the ship? They say once you go Yacht Club, you can never go back. Do you agree? We think it's probably worth it to pay extra. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below.